Right now in New York, one of the biggest thoroughfares, Midland Avenue, totally devastated. They're making a rescue over there. My store is underwater. Thousands of dollars worth of fucking damage. I'm sick to my stomach right now. I don't know what to do. My friend Darren, his store, Michael, destroyed. Shop Smart, underwater. Something like I've never seen before in my life. My store is underwater. Devastation.